Hello guys, welcome to Tech O'Clock. In today's video, we'll be discussing the 5 common mistakes people make on Instagram. But don't worry, for every problem, there's a solution. So let's dive right in. The first mistake is buying fake followers and engagement. This can harm your credibility. The solution is simple. Engage with your audience genuinely and meaningfully. Real followers will give you real engagement. The second issue is an irregular posting schedule, which can confuse your followers. The solution is to establish a consistent posting schedule. Share new and interesting content at regular intervals to keep your audience engaged. The third problem is low-quality content, which can bore viewers quickly. The solution is to create high-quality and visually appealing content. Use good photography and creative captions to make your content stand out. The fourth problem is not engaging with your followers, making them feel unheard. The solution is to respond to comments regularly, interact with polls and questions, and take their feedback seriously by incorporating it into your content. The final problem is ignoring analytics and insights. Without them, you won't know who is viewing your content and what type of content your audience prefers. The solution is to regularly check your Instagram insights. Analyze audience demographics and content performance to optimize your strategy. So these were some common Instagram mistakes and their solutions. By following these tips, you can take your Instagram game to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next informative video. Thank you.